In this activity, you created a spreadsheet to track, research, and make decisions about cell phones and service plans, or another product with recurring payments. You also used formulas to calculate total costs and to sort your spreadsheet based on your priorities. Spreadsheet formulas, like the ones you created in this activity, have many applications. You could design one to calculate the monthly and yearly cost of a cable or internet provider, media streaming service, used car, home, laptop, or tablet. You could keep track of how much you spend each month cooling or heating your home. You could also use adding and averaging formulas in a spreadsheet to track your grades in a course. You could calculate your grade at any point during the semester, or determine what grade you need on the next test to achieve a B at midterm. Businesses use spreadsheets to balance prices and expenses. For example, a local ice cream shop might use spreadsheets to keep track of inventory, to know how much to charge based on the cost of ingredients, or to collect feedback from customers. Startups like Colossal Media, a hand-painted advertisement company, use formulas to create business plans and project profits. Explore more formulas in spreadsheets and see how they can help you make other decisions.